Hi there, my name is Mary, and I am so excited to meet you. Let me tell you a little about myself. I've been teaching English to students, job seekers, and professionals online for several years now. Most of my students are from Asia, including China, South Korea, Taiwan, and Japan. I'm also a freelance presenter for English training workshops in the Philippines, helping ESL learners improve their English. I teach a variety of subjects, including everyday English conversation, business English, advanced speech, and test preparation for TOEFL, IELTS, and TOEIC. On top of teaching, I work as a freelance book review writer and an offshore researcher for an Australian company based in Sydney. Before becoming an online English teacher, I worked in the BPO industry for 4 years, where I communicated daily with American clients. This experience gave me a deeper understanding of effective communication across cultures. When I'm not teaching, I enjoy watching American TV series, movies, and NBA games. So I love basketball. I also love Japanese anime. Some of my favorites are Ghibli movies, Dragon Ball, Yu Yu Hakusho, and Detective Conan. To stay active, I play table tennis and do Zumba. And right now, I also started walking, which they are both fun and great exercises. Teaching is my passion, and I absolutely love helping others achieve their goals in learning English. I am a friendly, patient, and understanding teacher. My objective is to make your learning journey enjoyable, effective, and fulfilling. I am really looking forward to meeting you and helping you improve your English skills. Together, we'll achieve your goals and have fun along the way. See you soon. Bye for now.